Welcome to the fruiSCE Maintenance Management. Let's take a closer look at the step-by-step real process flow. The process begins when the trip commences with a loaded truck. An unforeseen breakdown occurs abruptly. The driver notifies the truck owner, who reacts with shock and expresses anger towards the maintenance manager. The maintenance manager feels a certain level of frustration with manual process. The fleet owner experiences confusion as a result of these challenges. However, there is a viable solution available. The implementation of the fruiSCE fleet management system can automate the scheduling of services for large vehicles and provide timely alerts to the responsible individuals. And all timestamps will be recorded. The system prevent breakdowns, eliminate losses, experience unparalleled maintenance management with fruiSCE FMS. Say goodbye to unexpected breakdowns and costly losses. Embrace the power of fruiSCE FMS for maintenance management today. Maintenance and inventory involves managing vehicle maintenance processes, including planning, inspections, repairs, and record keeping. Here we go to navigate the maintenance process in fruiSCE Fleet Management System. Begin by logging in using your credentials. Once logged in, access the maintenance module from the home page. Within the maintenance module, you will find the maintenance summary page. This page serves as a hub for creating and managing maintenance processes. Allow me to guide you through the step-by-step procedure for creating services for vehicles. You will encounter the schedule screen, which facilitates the scheduling of service times and intervals. Upon finalizing the schedule, you can strategically allocate resources such as parts and technicians, and subsequently generate a work order. The gate entry screen provides the ability to timestamp gate entries, enabling accurate calculation of service performance durations. The work order screen offers a comprehensive view of services and associated spare parts. Should the need for additional spare parts arise, the option to raise a purchase order to the inventory manager is available. Meter readings are conveniently displayed in a dedicated section. The work order close status can be monitored from this screen, indicating the completion of the maintenance process. Post-maintenance, the vehicle undergoes a test drive. fruiSCE platform aids in providing real-time status updates during this phase. A detailed status log captures timestamps throughout the maintenance process, including the handover and takeover procedures. In essence, this encompasses the comprehensive framework of our maintenance process. Should you require any further assistance or clarification, please do not hesitate to reach out. Your successful navigation through our maintenance module is our priority.